So this is CapCut interface. But if you want to customize this interface, then you can also do that. So for example, I have this media, and now if I play this video, as you can see, we have this small preview screen. So if you want to preview your video in a big screen, then you can click here. And now as you can see, we have default layout, we have media first, and etc. So I'm going to select the media first because this is the media, this is the player, and this is adjustment first or timeline first. So these are the adjustment and this is the timeline. Now I'm going to select media first, and now as you can see, the media will pop out. So we can restore, we can full screen, we can minimize. So we can minimize this one, and now guys, we can preview the video in a big screen. We can also click here, we can drag this, we can arrange our timeline, we can arrange the workspace. So we can also click here, we can push this to the right side. We can also select the adjustment first and we can minimize it. And now we have the media, we minimize the adjustment. We can minimize the timeline. So as you can see, now we have the timeline, we can drag this anywhere, we can minimize, or we can click on restore. And now we back to the original. Or we can just click here, we can check default layout. Now this is the media which contain all your audio file or video file or images. In audio guys, we have CapCut audios. In text, we have CapCut text, we have stickers, effects, etc. And now on the right side, we have video properties, we have video, speed, animation, tracking, adjustment, and etc. Now like other softwares, we have shortcut keys in CapCut as well. So if you notice, we have shortcut. If you click here, we have all the shortcuts of timeline, we have all the shortcuts of player, basic, and other. So let's go to the timeline. Now if you want to split a clip, the shortcut is Ctrl B. So if you want to modify this, then you can click here, and first we have to sign in order to change anything. So I'm going to sign in, and now guys, if I click here, we can change this shortcut. So let's change this to Ctrl C, and as you can see, we have this which is Ctrl C shortcut already belong to basic copy. So this shortcut is belong to copy a media. So we can override this or we can cancel this. We can customize this shortcut. And we can also reset this to default. So if you click here, it will reset all these shortcuts to default. And now we can also change the shortcut to shortcut 2, shortcut 3, shortcut 4 and 5. So for example, if I select shortcut 1, the split clip shortcut is Ctrl B. So I'm going to place this cursor right here, and now I'm going to press Ctrl plus B. And now as you can see guys, I split this clip in 2 parts. Now I'm going to place this cursor right here, and now if we go to the shortcut, and now let's change this to shortcut number 2. Now the split shortcut is Ctrl K. Let's save this one. And now if I press Ctrl B, as you can see, nothing is happened because we changed the shortcut to shortcut 2. So the shortcut 2 is Ctrl K, and now as you can see, we split this clip. So you can also customize your shortcut, and you have to click on save button, otherwise it won't work. So let's click on save button, and now we back to Ctrl plus B. Now if you don't want to change your layout, then it's fine. You can also press Ctrl, hold it, and you can use your mouse scroll to zoom in and zoom out your player to preview in zoomed in position. As you can see, we have this small window here. We can click here, we can drag this anywhere, we can view a point of a video, or we can use the mouse scroll, we can press it and we can drag the video like this. And if you want to reset your player, you can click here and we can change this to right here where we have this small line. You can use this to zoom in and zoom out your player as well.